Hello there. My name is Teacher Nats. What is your name? Oh, your name is Anna. Anna. Hello, Anna. Nice to meet you, Anna. Are you ready for our lesson today? Good. So today we are going to tackle or to discuss our new lesson. The title is Can Only Birds Fly? Okay, the title is Can Only Birds Fly? Okay, so are you excited? So during our lessons, I will give you some rewards. Okay, let's proceed. Okay, look, Anna. Okay, so there is a lot of animals. What animals do you know? What animals do you know? Okay, this this is monkey. Okay, monkey, monkey. Okay, monkey can walk and also can climb. Okay, how about this one? Okay, good job. That is a dog. Dog. Okay, come and say again. Dog. Okay, very good. How about this one? Yes, Anna, very good. That is a cat. Cat. Okay, very good. And also, yes, this is an elephant. Elephant. Okay, elephant can walk also. Okay, good job. And now, okay, yes, it's a bird. Birds is fly, can fly. Okay, good job. Let's proceed, Anna. Oh, look and say. Okay, I will read the sentence and you can repeat or you can say after me. Okay, hi there. Are you a bird? Y- Yes, Anna. Okay, once again. Hi there. Are you a bird? Okay, good job. An owl said, yes, I am an owl. Owls are birds. Okay. Yes, Anna, can you say it? Yes, I am an owl. Owl. Owls are birds. Okay, good job, Anna. Very good. Let's proceed. Oh, look and say. Okay, this bird is owl. Okay, can you say it, Anna? Yes, very good. Can you say it again? Okay, very good, Anna. For that, you are a shining star. Okay, you have a star for me. Okay, let's proceed. Oh, how many do you see? Do you see in the picture? Okay, one and two. Very good, Anna. That is owls. Owls. Good job. Okay, next, let's proceed. Okay, look, Anna. Look, Anna. There are four birds. Two, three, and four. Okay, they are owls. Okay, owls. Okay, Owls are birds. Okay, repeat after me, Anna. Owls are birds. Okay, come again. Can you say it again? Good job, Anna. That's great. Very good. Great job. You have a star from me. Okay, next slide. Oh, drag and say. Okay. Owls have got wings. Okay. Say Anna, say Anna, Anna. Say it again. Owls have got wings. Okay. Owls have got wings. Okay, good job. But Anna, the wings of the owl is missing. Can you drag it? Drag it. Drag it. Drag it. Drag it. Okay, good job. Very good. You have 2 stars from me. 2 stars. Okay, let's next. Okay, Anna. Let's watch and say. Okay, let's watch and say. Okay, okay, Anna. Can owls can fly? Can owls can fly, Anna? Yes, very good. Owls can fly. Okay, say it again, Anna. Owls can fly. Okay, good job. Now, say it again. Owls can fly. Okay, good job. Very good. Very good, Anna. Next slide. Oh, look and read. Okay, I'll read the sentence and you say after. Okay? Okay, show me your hands, Anna. Okay, very good. Okay, owls are birds. Okay, come again, Anna. Please say it. Owls are birds. Okay, good job. How about next? Owls have got wings. Owls have got wings. Please say it again. Okay, once again, owls have got wings. Wings, Anna. Yes. Okay, come again, please. Say it again. Owls have got wings. Okay, good job. So another. Owls can fly. Okay, owls can fly. Okay, owls can fly. Okay, please, Anna, say it. Say it. Owls can fly. Good job. Can you read the three sentence? Okay, good. Okay, are you ready? Owls are birds. Okay. Owls have got wings. Okay, good job. Another. Last one, Anna. Owls can fly. Okay, good job. Good job, Anna. You have 2 stars from Teacher Nance. Okay. Oh, what have you learned in our class, Anna? Okay, what have you learned in our class today, Anna? Yes, today you have learned owls are birds. Yes, also you learn that owls can fly. And also owls have got wings. Very good, Anna. Very good. So very good. You did great. So because of that, you have a ice cream. Ice cream, Anna. Okay, you did great job. Okay, see you next time, Anna. See you next time.